Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. So we covered most of the windows, but there's one window left that is relevant today, and it's the browser window. In this case, we still don't see it, but I want to introduce it already. So that's the contents window. I can open this because, okay, let's say here I have 78 elements. I want to see those. With control space, I can see that. And that's the browser window. Again, I have a plethora of options. Look at the amount of buttons and menus, sub-menus, even more menus. Here even you have more, a lot of stuff here. You can think this window as the if you're an Anki user, you can think this window as the browser window in Anki. Then you can see the title of the element among other properties. We'll cover these eventually, not now. And this is the element in the browser. This only makes sense in the browser. Something fascinating is that you see this checkbox. Usually what happens is that, oh, let me do something here. Let's say that I want to change the template. Let's say that I want to do for those two. So you'll be tempted to do this, and click on Change Template. I won't do it now. But that's not how Supermemo works. Why? Because this checkbox, it's very counterintuitive, but it's only for making this selection. Leave this option. Open a new browser with only with the selected items, select elements, or the opposite, the negative selection. If you do something, a new function, like applying the template, this will be applied to all of the contents, not the ones you have selected. Bear this in mind. One of the many things that are counterintuitive. If you want to do this, what you will want to do is first check this, open a new browser with the selected, and then you will do what you wanted, unlike Anki. So this window, also remember, there's a specialized layout called browser that we will see later on about how to set it up. But for now, that's everything you need to know. See you in the next video.